Ang resulta ng lahat ng mga ito, nakalokohan ng mga congressman, was to ensure na mananalo si Romualdez for president. Ngayon, hindi na. Kung 3% siya noon, kayo baka minus 30% na siya. Ayaw na ni BBM sa kanya, obviously. So, sino ang kandidato ngayon ni BBM? Diba? So now, the left, the other parties, Liberal Party, will now have a chance, di ba? Weak na yung kandidato ni BBM. But, tatawanan ko kayo.
Bakit?
Puro Marcos kayo. Anong ginawa ni Ferdinand Marcos sa inyo ng martial law? That's very funny if you align with BBM. But, again, BBM is not going to run for president anymore. So it will
He
depend
can't. Yeah.
who his candidate is.
So what will happen?
Romualdez is out. It's the stage for reforms in the next term. And I hope VP Sara is listening. Because this is a serious, extraordinary stage in Philippine politics. The people are sukang-suka na sa corruption. And she has the character na matatakot din yung mga tao niya sa kanya na mangungurakot sila. Parang si Digong.